Hey everyone, welcome back to HTML series. In this video, we are diving into a crucial distinction between HTML elements, replaced, non-replaced, and the often confused void elements. Understanding these differences will make your HTML much clearer. Let's get started. We will start by looking at non-replaced elements. These are the elements that you will use for most of your content. They are called non-replaced because the browser renders their content directly rather than replacing them with something else, as we will see later. Common examples include paragraphs, headings, and lists. These elements all share a common structure: an opening tag to start the element, the content you want to display, and the closing tag to end the element. As you can see here, for non-replaced elements, the browser renders the content directly within the space defined by the tags. Now, let's talk about replaced elements. These elements are replaced by an external resource or an object. The most common example is the image tag. The tag itself doesn't display the image. It tells the browser where to find the image, and the browser then inserts the image into the page. Similarly, form elements like input are replaced by an interactive UI widget like text boxes, buttons, or checkboxes. The browser renders these UI elements, not the tag itself. This brings us to void elements. These are special elements that don't have closing tags. They are also known as self-closing tags. Some common examples are line break, horizontal line, and importantly, many replaced elements are also void elements, such as image and input tags. You may notice a forward slash at the end of void elements. This is a practice carried over from older versions of HTML and XHTML. However, in modern HTML, this slash is no longer necessary and the shorter form is considered the standard way to write it. The reason they are called void is because they are like empty shells. They cannot contain any content due to their self-closing nature, as the opening tag itself is enough to describe the element completely. Let's clarify the connection between replaced and void elements. Many replaced elements such as image and input are also void elements. This means they are replaced by external content and are self-closing. Some replaced elements like video, audio, object, and iframe are replaced by external content, but they do have closing tags and can contain fallback content. You might wonder, why do we even have a void elements which are not even replaced? That is, they don't have any content to display as they are void, and they are not even replaced by any other objects, thereby not rendering anything onto the screen. So they don't have visual content, but they are essential for how the browser interprets and handles your web page. The common examples are link and meta tags. Understanding the difference between these element types is crucial to write a clean and effective code. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. There's so much more to learn. I will see you in next video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section.